Now we move to May 5th, and this will be spelling for May 5th. And you have a page 3 written at the top of your notebook. Remember, when you open up your notebook, this is the center part of your notebook. And on the left side, you're going to be writing these words. And I can see a glare on the screen. I'm going to see if I can move my phone so that it makes it a little clearer. This is the 111 rule. And in the 111 rule, we write these words like hop. It has one syllable, one vowel, and one ending consonant. So when you want to add an ending to that word, then you have to double the P on hop before you add the ing. Now that's what happens on all of these words on page 3. This is the 111 rule, where you must double the final consonant before you add an ending. So here, look at this one, ship, and then shipped, and shipper. So any kind of ending that you put on, you must add another P before you add the ending. Then at the bottom of the page, you have the lists of endings, the possible endings that you could add to words. So you will probably have to pause the video and take some time to write. This is the first part of page 3. Now we're moving on to the second part of page 3, and you can see that I moved over, and this is the 211 rule. This page shows words that have 2 syllables that end with a vowel and a consonant. This word is begin. So when you're going to write the word beginning, you must, because of the 2 consonants, 2 syllables, 1 vowel, 1 consonant, you must double that final consonant before you add ing. Now that's the rule with all of these words that you see here. And then on this side, you're writing them with an ending. At the bottom of page 3, you will see that there are some other words that are an exception to the rule 211. The 211 rule, I told you already, you have to double that final consonant. But on these words that you have at the bottom of the page, you do not have to double the final consonant. That is kind of an interesting thing about the English language. The English language has a lot of rules and many, many words that fit into those rules, but sometimes we end up with words that don't fit into those rules, and those are exceptions. So you will need to pause your video for a little bit and get all of this written down. You also might want to look at the papers that I've already scanned to your parents so that you make sure you know which words they are.